Hi, I'm here to show you these replacement luggage wheels that I got for a piece of luggage I have that the wheels are wore out. I really like that they're just all one big piece. The rubber doesn't come off this at all, and it comes as a set of two. So what happens is this pair will go on as replacement on the back, and this pair will go on as replacement as the back on the other side. My suitcase actually has 4 places for wheels, but I figured this was better than nothing. I could just replace the back ones where I drag it and not worry about it the other way, because I typically don't roll it that way anyway. And it comes with the gloves, so you don't mess up your hands, and all the parts, and even a saw so that you can cut off the old one, and instructions.